So much to learn about, it'll make you want to shout, Blippi!
Hey, it's me, Blippi. And do you like fruit? Yeah, I do too. One of my favorite fruits is an apple. Maybe you and I should draw an apple today. Wow, there's green apples, red apples, yellow apples, but today you and I are gonna draw a red apple. All right, so let's draw a curved line like this. Ooh, and another curve on that side. There we go. And then, since apples have stems and leaves, let's take the color green and then do a stem right up here. There we go. Maybe a little thicker. But then for the leaf, a couple curved lines like that, and then a line right in the middle. Whoa, doesn't that look like a tasty apple? I know, it does. But I'm gonna color in the apple now. I'm gonna make a little line like that. Yeah, so then it looks like a reflection. And then, time to color! Yum! Whoa, that was so much fun drawing and coloring an apple together. If you want to draw more with me, all you have to do is search for my name. Will you spell my name with me? Ready? B-L-I-P-P-I, Blippi. All right, see you again. Bye-bye.
Come on everyone, let's make learning fun. Blippi, Blippi. So much to learn about, it'll make you want to shout, Blippi!